My new project is to build a birdhouse for the indigo bunting. Requirements are to build a birdhouse, use recycled wood, make it cheap as possible, and have it easy to clean. Last year I saw some indigo buntings at my house and I think they're a really beautiful bird. So I researched about the bird and then figured out what I needed to do to have the most attractive birdhouse for them. They need a birdhouse that's 5 inches by 5 inches by 8 inches, and they need about a 2-inch hole. I then went and got some ideas for different styles of birdhouses. I then investigated how to paint my birdhouse or how to decorate it so it looks nice. You want to use light colors to reflect the heat, and you don't want to paint the inside because you don't want the birds to eat the paint. After I've done my research, I have enough information to design the birdhouse that I want to make. Once I have my design, I don't just start building it. I have to think about the materials that I need to get in advance, what tools I'll need, and then I start to think about the steps so that I don't make any mistakes. So I'm going to measure and cut all the pieces, put everything together and make sure everything fits, glue and nail the pieces together, add a hanger, and then screw the last piece of wood on so that I can take the roof off and clean the birdhouse.